How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can use VS Code with Arduino. Now, before you do this, we are going to use the PlatformIO.org, and then of course you just want to make sure that you download the Arduino for your computer. From there, let's just head over to the Visual Studio Code, and then you want to simply search for the PlatformIO inside the extensions tab. So make sure to actually click on extensions tab, which is going to be this one. Search for platform, and then it's going to be this PlatformIO IDE. Now, also you want to then connect your Arduino onto your computer, and the installation of PlatformIO can take some time, so you just have to be patient for a couple of minutes. So from there, after installing, it will then prompt you to actually restart VS Code. So just simply do so. And then right after, let's now click on the PlatformIO, and then it will actually initialize the platform core right here. So this is going to be the PlatformIO extension. In here, we are going to create a new project. So just simply click on it. And then inside, let's click create new project. You can name your project the way you want to. You have your board selection right here, and you can also select your framework. But in my case, I'll just click on finish. And then right after, it will then prompt you with additional options, especially if this is your first time using it. So just wait on it to finish. And simply from there, you are good to go. You will be able to see a file name called .cpp because it's actually C#++. So from there, you could just go ahead and code. You're going to be familiar with it because Arduino is already embedded onto the start of the code itself, and we have some basic loop functionality on it. And so that's how you use VS Code with Arduino. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.